Welcome back to part 2. We're jumping straight into the last 15 words. Remember, don't just guess. Look for the logic in the sentence to find the meaning. Let's see if we can get that perfect score. Number 1, substantial. After months of hard work, the charity raised a substantial amount of money for the new hospital. A total that is evenly shared among people. B, a large or important amount. The answer is B, a large or important amount. Number 2, controversial. The author's controversial new book has sparked heated debates in every talk show this week. A, something that causes a lot of disagreement. B, something that most people think is boring. The answer is A, something that causes a lot of disagreement. 3, legitimate. The customer had a legitimate complaint because the product arrived broken in the box. Is it A, something that is fair, legal, or real? B, something that is expensive and fancy? The correct answer is A, something that is fair, legal, or real. Next, skeptical. My parents were skeptical when I told them I could learn a new language in just one weekend. A, being very excited about a new idea. B, doubting if something is true or right. The answer is B, doubting whether something is true or right. Here's the next one. Arbitrary. The teacher's decision to ban blue pens felt arbitrary as there was no logical reason for the rule. A, based on a random choice rather than a reason. B, based on a long-standing tradition. The answer is A, based on a random choice rather than a reason. 6, spectrum. The political spectrum includes a wide range of beliefs from extreme left to extreme right. A range of different levels or types, and B, one specific and unchanging point. The answer is A range of different levels or types. Number 7, ultimatum. The boss gave him an ultimatum. Arrive on time tomorrow or face immediate termination. A friendly suggestion to try harder, and B, a final do this or else demand. It's letter B, a final do this or else demand. Next, threshold. The company will only start making a profit once they cross the threshold of 1,000 sales per month. A, the level or point where something starts. B, a change made to improve something. The correct answer is A, the level or point where something starts. 9, paradox. It is a strange paradox that the more choices people have, the harder it is for them to decide. A, an explanation for why something happens, and B, a situation that seems impossible because it has two opposite parts. And the answer is B, a situation that seems impossible because it has two opposite parts. Next, notion. She rejected the notion that money is the only way to measure success in life. A physical object you can hold, and B, an idea or a belief about something. The answer is B, an idea or belief about something. 11, framework. The Constitution provides the legal framework upon which all other national laws are built. Is it A, a localized amendment or correction? B. A set of ideas or rules that supports a plan. The answer is B. A set of ideas or rules that supports a plan. Next, dynamics. When a new person joins a small team, the group dynamics often change as people adjust to the new personality. A. The tasks assigned to each member of a group. B. The way people in a group behave with each other. The answer is B. The way people in a group behave with each other. Number 13 is variable. The most unpredictable variable in our outdoor wedding plans is the weather. A. Something that can change and affect the result. B. A piece of information used to make a decision. The answer is A. Something that can change and affect the result. Invasive. The surgery was considered invasive because it required a large incision and a long recovery time. A. Something that goes inside the body or private space. B. Something that requires special training to perform. The answer is A. Something that goes inside the body or private space. Here's our last word, underlying. While they argued about the dishes, the underlying issue was actually a lack of communication in their marriage. A. The most obvious thing that everyone sees first. B. The hidden but most important reason. The correct answer is B. The hidden but most important reason. And that's the full list. What was your final score? Let me know in the comments which word gave you the most trouble today. If this helped you practice your skills, give it a like and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.